We have an AI powered plan. We have a Vertex AI assistant. We have AI powered marketing. What is the most important thing in any business? Sales. You need to have sales. So what is the first thing we're going to take a look at? Well, in the Prospector of BizRise.io, you can come in here to the Prospector, and this is my dog Cookie. I'm sure you'll meet her soon. But in the prospecting generator, I need to write an approach to Cookie. So my how to build let's go AI Factory. This is either the AI Factory or BizRise.io. I put the same logo. But Cookie, let's say Cookie's an amiable customer. She's a sweetie. So let's generate an approach to Cookie for our product and service. So that's elevate your social media marketing with BizRise.io. So that's about the web app, but it's going to write a personalized approach to your prospects based on your products and services. That's why we start everything with our products and services. So let's try this end one, and we're going to go driver customer and see if this is the AI Factory. Elevate your social media strategy. Yeah, so this is about the AI Factory, my free educational course. Reaching out on behalf of the AI Factory. I understand you're a results-oriented leader because I dropped it in the driver section. That's going to give you that response to make the approach a little bit more personalized, and it's going to use your prospect's industry and company name in that approach. So you're going to be able to optimize your outreach quicker, right? Now, what's the point of all that? Well, if you're going to have an AI-powered Skool community where you're going to teach people about your skills, hobbies, and interests, let's generate an AI-powered plan to grow that, right? And then what we do, because we're going to optimize the whole process, and I'm going to show you how to build this web app in the How to Build a Web App course. You're going to make a Vertex AI assistant out of your plan to handle your customer service like I did Baz. So I'm going to show people how to build a web app. They can use my web app, and I have AI assistants about my web app and the course on the web app. So it's a whole AI optimized plan, right? And by doing that, you can optimize a process, because that's really what people need to be looking for when they're talking about AI and how to make products and what to do going forward. It's how to optimize a process. Why that works so well with the Skool community is because you're teaching people about your skills, hobbies, or interests. You're taking a free educational platform and monetizing it. To optimize a process, that is the perfect setup for it. How are we going to promote your school? How are we going to promote your online course? How are you going to promote your business more efficiently? And the best thing about these AI agents is you get analytics from customer interactions with them. So when you take these puppies hybrid, you're going to get even more data to help you make those future forward decisions to be ahead of the market. And that's how you optimize a process with AI.